Hi, I am Asadullah Chaudhary and welcome to PMP for Strategic Project Manager question and answer series. In this video, I am going to talk about one of the trivial point or one of the trivial concern of senior management, and they say that our project managers are unable to perform project management, and one of the key reasons they say is that they lack core negotiation skills. Generally they are good in technical work, they are good in so-called technical project management work, which is planning, scheduling, all these kind of things. But when it comes to the core hard skill, I would say, of a project manager, that how he or she negotiate with other departmental managers for their resources, or how they negotiate with their subcontractors, or how they negotiate with their external stakeholders or internal stakeholders about the expectation and the scope of the project, they miserably fail. They are unable to negotiate the required value for their projects, and then they complain that we don't have authority and we want power and whatnot. So the key skill, I would say, as a project manager you need to acquire when you are managing a cross departmental project is, or maybe a cross organizational project, is how to negotiate for your project. So if you want to understand the core process of negotiation in projects, then do join our PMP for Strategic Project Manager workshop. Thank you.